Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find security and privacy. Let's tap on it. Then scroll down to the very bottom to find more security and privacy. And here let's localize the option which is called special permissions. Sorry, it is at the top of the list, so let's tap. And now find the option install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and tap on it, and then tap on the switcher. As you can see here, we've got the warning, and it is really important because you have to be aware that you're doing everything on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, but so you may put your data and whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. You have to mark this statement that you're aware of the possible risks and tap on OK. Right now it is active, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is right now allowed to install some content. Of course it works the same with all other apps, and you can also always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.